guys, what's up about the PPSH-41 for Call of Duty World at War? Cool thing is, I actually tried making actual working items, so check this out, everybody. Now, isn't that cool? Anyway. Okay, so now we can review the clip. Tell by the clip. Pretty cool. It's actually the rifle ride. The clip. Put that into the gun. And if you look at the stock here, it's actually 100% accurate to the actual stock. See how it goes float. And here's the design. Some people are like, oh, you forgot the holes in the barrel. Actually, the paratrooper, I didn't forget the holes. But technically, we have the exact